Hello everybody, today I want to show you how you can download Kick in your smart TV LG. Okay, I'm be honest, you cannot download Kick in your smart TV LG because we don't have the app in LG for now. Okay, in the next month, maybe 3 months, 4 months, maybe can you find that app in your LG content store. But what is the other solution? I have one solution for see watch Kick in my TV. Is this HDMI cable? Okay, I put cable here and duplicate a screen, example my PC in this case, but you can use your laptop, your tablet, iPad, or a mobile. Example, with mobile can you use this? Okay, put here the other side with like this, put here, and this put in your mobile, and duplicate your screen and open Kick. Okay, this is perfect because while you use HDMI, also you can use charging cable. Okay, this is perfect example. Or with this you can use the screen mirror. Okay, duplicate screen mirror, I don't know what is the name, but this, wait, this option is for duplicate your screen. Okay, touch here and duplicate screen, I don't know what is the name, sorry for my bad English. And with this you can see what's Kick in your TV like this now, and HDMI my Windows screen. This is perfect. This is perfect and cheaper and easier. Okay, this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. I know that is a bad video for my speak, but I want get more experience talk in English. Sorry for that and have a good day.